there, welcome back. My name is Faux and all that. I don't even need to do that because I'm gonna have an intro anyway.
Passion is everything when it comes to stepping into self. It's your girl Poe, P-O-E, your favorite tree. Ooh. If you want to follow me, you can check me out at Poeism. Peace.
But yeah, welcome back. Hello, today is a new day to slay, a new day to get up and do what you gotta do. And for this video, I will be talking about my curly bang and locks hairstyle. I've had them in for 2 months now. I put them in like late December, early January. Okay, I feel like this is a little better. Yeah, this is a little better. As you can see, my hair is already done. So I'm going to try to piece together certain things so you can understand, because I didn't record it like when I was doing it. So that you can see how I did it, because it's very, very simple, just like all of my other tutorials on how I do my locks. It's exactly like that. The only difference is that I parted a bang. So it's literally like a, kind of like a trapezoid a little bit, rectangle. And if you plan on doing a bang, you really need to look at the shape of your face, because you may have to do a triangle bang or a square bang. It just depends on your face shape and what complements your face, because I had tried a triangle bang at first when I was first doing my hair, and it just, how the hair laid down, it just didn't look the same until like I kept shaping it to my head, right? Because now I don't know the shape of your head. And I ended up feeling comfortable with how the hair laid down when I shaped it like this. Okay, so I think that's the only super particular part of how I did this, because everything else you guys know. You guys know how I do my locks. I do them exactly the same. The only thing is now I know how to do it faster, and that's about it. But I'm gonna put up some visuals, some really important visuals from like past videos and what you should pay attention to. Making sure that you're knotting at the root when you crochet the hair in and when you're wrapping it. I've wrapped these, but they're not as thick as some of my locks have been. As you can see, some of them are like they're finger width. And I know I have gotten them pretty chunky before, so these aren't chunky. I really focused on getting them long. They're like to my calves. Hopefully I saw that. Okay, is this better? Is this better? Okay, so this is my hair. It's calf length. Hopefully you can see. That's literally the only thing. Like how I seal, how I take care of them. I literally have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have so many videos of how I do my locks. It's literally the same technique, same exact technique. The only thing that's different is that I made it a little longer because I wanted it to my calf, and I parted out and added a bang. If you have any questions, it's all right, just leave them. No. If you have any questions, just leave them below. If you would like me to, because I'm thinking about refreshing them, or maybe like just doing another hairstyle. I'm not really sure. But if you want something that's a little bit more detailed, if you feel like looking at the other videos, the reference videos, and how I do the technique specifically is just not enough, and it's not enough explanation, just let me know in the comments below so I could make a little bit more specific. If you guys are trying out this hairstyle, like send me pictures and videos. People have already been doing it, you know, but I need my little grooves. People be playing. Send me pictures and videos so I can see, and yeah, and I could show you guys later how I style my bang, the many different ways I style it. And that's a whole nother thing. All right, see you guys. Peace.